Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up bounce handling with Mailchimp automations step by step clearly. To set up bounce handling with Mailchimp automations, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the main dashboard. Select the audience you want to configure bounce handling for. Click on Manage Audience and then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Campaign Defaults section. Locate email address and ensure it's correctly set up. Now, go back to the main dashboard and click on Automations. Choose the automation you want. In the Automation overview, select Settings from the menu bar. Look for the Bounce Handling option within the settings. Turn on the Track Bounces feature. This allows Mailchimp to track and manage bounced emails automatically. Next, set the criteria for what constitutes a hard bounce and a soft bounce. Hard bounces indicate an invalid or non-existent email address. Soft bounces typically occur due to temporary issues. Decide how many times you want to attempt resending emails to soft bounced addresses. Now, set up your notification preferences for bounce handling alerts. You can choose to receive email notifications about bounces. Once all settings are configured, click Save to apply your changes. Finally, test your automation to ensure that your bounce handling is functioning as expected. Monitor bounce reports regularly to keep your audience healthy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.